Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just had a customer come in that wants a Ghost fitted to his A-Class AMG. So we fitted a Ghost. So how the system works, someone grabs this key, jumps in, puts their foot on the brake, tries to start it, it just won't start. So let's just try and start it. Okay, you see it just won't start, okay? It just won't start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, it's really simple. No foot on the brake, just main ignition on. So yellow and red lights on. Insert the code, which we're going to change after the video. So tap, 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 tap. Watch the side light, give us a flash, 2 flashes. There you go. And then foot on the brake and just start the vehicle. Really simple and straightforward to start. Obviously you can see that it's got a low tyre, it's got, I think, it's low puncture, but it's nothing to do with the immobiliser. Okay, so in about 10 seconds, you'll see that the system will arm. There's no visual confirmation, it will just arm. Okay, so it's about 8 seconds now. So let's just put our foot on the brake again, try and start it. It just won't start, okay? Also, if the customer wants to place it in valet mode, this is also very, very simple. And the way they do that is main ignition on, so yellow and red lights on, single tap or double tap, depending when you've opened or closed the door. Insert the code, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Wait for our usual double flash. There you go, then hit the driver's window up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now watch, we're going to get 5 flashes from the side light. There you go. Just about see that? So that's now in valet mode. So if I turn the start button off and then give it about 10 seconds, you'll see the vehicle just start. So on this particular Ghost, you can see that normally if you go over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, and you'll see that obviously it will jump out of valet mode, and then obviously they need the code. So let's just try and start it now. Vehicle starts, no problem, it's in valet mode, but as I said, it's speed and distance dependent. So now if we want to take it out of valet mode, we've got the vehicle back. Just all you've got to do is main ignition on, yellow and red lights, insert your code, get your double flash, and it'll come out. Okay, really simple and really, really straightforward. I'm going to give it time to set now. So let's try and start it now. Obviously it won't start, okay? Foot on the brake just won't start. It needs the code. So main ignition on again. Insert the code. Wait for our double flash. Foot on the brake and start it. Okay, finally, if I want to change the code, this is also very, very simple. And the way that I do that, I wait for it to set. Should be set now. So main ignition on. Insert your push sequence to pass authorization. So tap, 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 tap. Wait for our double flash. I don't know if we got that. Let's try it again. Can't really see the sun. There you go. There's our double flash. Now foot to the floor on the accelerator and then repeat the same code again. So tap, 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 tap. Once it starts to flash, there you go, starting to flash. Let go of the accelerator. Now you're now in learn mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change it just to 4 of these. So when I push any of the buttons on the network, we'll get a flash to say it's on the network. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to get 3 flashes, watch. And then we're going to repeat the new code again. Obviously, if we make a mistake from the new code, from the first to the second, it will give us 4 flashes. If we don't, it's going to give us 2 flashes and confirm the code. So watch again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just doing it basic just for video purposes. There's our 2 flashes and that's now learned. Okay, if I turn the start button off, give it 8 seconds to set. I'm going to turn the main ignition on, try the old code. So tap, 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 tap. Let's just see. No flash. Turn the start button off. And try the new code. So main ignition on. Try the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for our double flash. There's our double flash. Foot on the brake and start it. Okay, really simple and straightforward to use. As I said, this is the Ghost 2 Immobiliser fitted to a A-Class AMG. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. 02890600478. 02890600478. Thank you, bye-bye.